Hello students, good afternoon to all. I am Nandlal Yadav, lecturer in English, Suraj School, Mahendragarh. In this topic, we will discuss about the topic advertisement. In previous topic, we have discussed format of advertisement, definition of advertisement, purpose of advertisement, and different type of advertisement. But in this lecture, we also discuss some particular advertisement which are important for the examination view. Let's start. You are Pawan Kumar. You are Pawan Kumar, managing director. Managing director, DK Industry. DK Industries, Gurugram. You require a clerk for your head office. Draft an advertisement. Draft an advertisement in not more than 50 words to be published in the classified column of the newspaper. In this way that you can find outline of any advertisement. This advertisement also concern to situation vacant, and after that in the same way there may be the changing of names as well as title of any advertisement, and you also see such type of the outline for any advertisement. First you also find out which type of the advertisement is this, that who is the person going to publish. The concerned person is Pawan Kumar. What is the designation of the concerned person? He is the managing director of DK Industry, and he wants a particular person. He wants a clerk. There may be clerk, engineer, and any other person that the company, the bank, the school requires. And there also given the wording criteria. There also the words 50 words. You also publish your advertisement in 50 words. Now we start this advertisement. Advertisement. Situation vacant. Situation vacant. Then you give space, line, and then you will start advertisement. DK Industries. DK Industries, Gurugram, require a clerk for the head office. The candidate must have graduation, must have graduate in any stream. Presentable and dynamic personality will be preferred. Interested person please contact to the managing director DK Industry Gurugram within a week. Contact number 989642 *. In this way, dear student, you also detailed all the things. You must think the wording criteria and your words of your advertisement not more than 50 words. There are some many points you also can detail in this advertisement. You also can write, please interested person may send their resume to the managing director as soon as possible. Such type of the thing that you also detail. Any other point like that, typing and good English speaking and other point that you also can detail in this advertisement. In this format that you can write any advertisement. In other different advertisement that we will discuss the different part of advertisement. In the situation wanted, you also give your detail, which type of the education that you have, you also give your experience, you also give any other thing. In the same, that you also change some other point that the person also required the minimum experience or maximum experience. All these things that also detailed in such type of the advertisement. This is the advertisement for situation vacancies. That's all for today. Thanks and have a nice day.